That's the Milwaukee M12 Fuel Brushless Twin Pack, and this includes the FPD2 Brushless Combi Drill, the FID2 Brushless Impact Driver, two 6-amp M12 batteries, an M12 charger, and a carry case, and this is available right now at its.co.uk. Milwaukee's FPD2 Combi Drill is Milwaukee's way of maximising power in a nice compact tool. This thing generates up to 45 Newton meters of torque, which is already impressive for a combi. However, this thing is just 152mm in length, so you'll be able to operate this in tight spaces. Everything about it feels heavy duty, with an all-metal chuck and gear casing. This makes it seem like it should be bigger, which is why it's impressive that Milwaukee have managed to get so much detail into such a compact combi. Alongside it, you have the FID2 Brushless Impact Driver. This is a high-tech and nimble tool to have in your kit, but once again, don't be fooled by the size. This thing delivers up to an outstanding 170 Newton meters of torque. It has 4 different speed and torque settings, so you'll be able to get the most out of your tool in any applications. And one of these settings is a self-tapping mode, which is going to be great if you're working with a lot of metal. Now, Milwaukee's fuel tools have quite a reputation to live up to, and both of these tools do exactly that. Some of you may be asking, what exactly fuel is, and essentially it is a combination of Milwaukee's latest and greatest technology, including brushless power state motors, which is designed to give you years of maintenance-free runtime. Both of these tools also feature Milwaukee's patented Red Link technology, which is a way for the tool to communicate with the battery, and this prevents the tool from overloading and overheating. If you want to learn more about Milwaukee Fuel, we actually have a whole video covering it. Click right here. This twin pack is a perfect showcase of everything that Milwaukee M12 Fuel has to offer, and having these heavy-duty tools in such a compact form makes it a perfect introduction for anyone looking to join Team Red.